Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and this time it's from One Day Savings, and you know how much I love their stuff, so when they give me the opportunity to get more awesome items, I just have to say yes. And I think you're gonna really love the items that I got this time around. You can tell I've got Christmas on my mind because, yeah. So I thought these bags were just awesome. I'm always looking for things that I can use. You know, you do the diamond painting, but then after you can use it. And I thought these bags were just amazing. So you've got everything you need, and it's a gift bag. So how pretty is this for wrapping up Christmas presents? So that's my thinking behind this, because as I said, I like having items that I can actually use, and this makes a gift within a gift. So you know, it makes it more interesting than the typical gift bags that you would get at the dollar store, for sure. So that's the first one, the Christmas tree. And then I won't pull this one out. It's the same type of thing, but it's a Santa Claus. So we will be making these soon, I'm hoping, because I really love them, and I need to get ready for Christmas because Christmas is coming. It's going to be right around the corner. And then I got these because I just thought they were so fun. So these are ornaments for the Christmas tree. And you got everything you need to hang them up. And check out the cuties. So these would be very fun to make with kids as well, because they're really small projects. And then you can hang them in your Christmas tree, or you can hang them on Christmas bags. How fun would that be? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm losing all my marbles. So there's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I've got them all. So I just thought these would be amazing for, like I said, you can put them in your Christmas tree, but you could also use them as little decorations to the to add to a bag, and that would be super pretty. And then I love bookmarks, and I fell in love with this one, and you'll understand why very soon. So they had this gorgeous dragonfly bookmark, and I thought that would be such a beautiful bookmark to add to my my planner next year. So I still haven't gotten my planner for next year, guys. I usually am not that late. I had ordered one from Erin Condren, but it didn't come. It got canceled, so no, I don't have one right now. But I thought that would be a great bookmark to put in it. So that's that. So I really hope that you've enjoyed the One Day Savings unboxing. Go and check in the description box below. There's a code for discount, and I would love to know which products is your favorite. I just find it so relaxing to do diamond paintings. It's just, there's something about it. It really relaxes me, and being able to use what I do as a gift after is just extra special. So yeah, that's it, guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.